In this video, we will show you how to modify photo background. Windows 11, the newest version, has been released new features with background remover and background replace. In here, there is two applications that we can use to modify the photo background. First, if you want just to change your background into the solid color, the number second if you want to change your background with another image. And let's using the first. If you want just to change the background with the solid color, and we have Microsoft Photos. In here on the Windows 11, the newest features, Microsoft Photos is capable to remove and then change the background color with the solid color we want. Okay, after you open your photo by default like this, and you can click this button, edit image, and after you open the image like this, then you can select the background tabs, and you can see here there is remove and replace the background. Okay, the Microsoft Photos is suitable if you need only to change with the solid color like this. You can remove and replace, okay, with color you want. Okay, you can see there, and you can click apply after that. And the number second, if you want to change the background color with another image, you can using MS Paint for the newest version. Just type Paint, and you can open your Microsoft Paint and open your image. Okay, you can see there. Okay, after that we can just click this button, remove background, and we will try to using another image as background in here, but you need to click this layer. Okay, don't forget, and select new layer. Because the background is below from this layer, we can drag and drop here. Okay, you can see there. After that, we can import another image by clicking file and select import to canvas. Okay, in here I will try to using my screenshot of desktop. As you can see there, my background is changed to this. But if you want to change the size in any image, you can see I'm active on the background layer. So if you want to change the size, just doing like this. Okay, you can see there. We can drag again. Okay, now after that we can also select our objects, and in this case is dog. We can click this dog layer, and using the selection pin, you can see there, you can free move here, and you can also change the size. Hold on your shift button on your keyboard, and you can see here now our background image is changed like we want. And you can also change the size of this image. You can see here, if you select the background, there is transparent background here. Just select the outside and you can resize like this, and you will have the actual size of your image. And that's all tutorial how to modify photo background on Windows 11. Hope this video helpful for you.